Let's make a delicious strawberry peach smoothie in just 4 ingredients. To start off, you're going to need 2 fresh peaches that should be nice and ripe. Use a sharp chef's knife to cut those peaches in half. Separate them. Cut the half with the pit again and take that pit out. If you have clingstone peaches, check out this video to help with that. But if the peaches are super ripe, which they should be, so they're nice and sweet, taking out the pit shouldn't be an issue. Also, make sure you take off any hard bits or parts in the center that just won't blend very well. You might have to do this with the center or some points on the edge of the peaches as well. You do not have to skin the peaches. I personally like the way the skin is in the smoothie, but if you don't like that, you can feel free to take the skin off. It's totally up to you. Once your peaches are prepared, grab your blender, and the first thing you want to do is throw in those peaches. You want 2 fresh, ripe peaches, as I mentioned earlier, all prepared in the steps we just did. Then grab a half cup of frozen strawberries, put those into the blender. Next up, you'll want a 1/4 cup of white grape juice or any neutral fruit juice that you have on hand. Pour that right on in. And then finally, our 4th ingredient, you'll need a 1/4 cup of milk. I am using regular dairy milk, but you can substitute whatever milk you prefer. Once all your ingredients are in the blender, we're ready to start blending it up. So put the top on, of course, and use the settings of your own blender to blend all the ingredients together until they are nice and smooth. The resulting smoothie is going to be on the thinner side, so if you do like a thicker smoothie, you can use less of each liquid. You can take the milk out altogether and just experiment till you get exactly the consistency you want. Stop the blender and taste the smoothie before serving to see if it needs any extra sweetener. You can always add a little bit of maple syrup or agave if it needs that. Then pour into the glasses and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and come subscribe for lots more new recipes.